Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I wanted to show you a piece of gear that I've been using for a few months now that has been an absolute game changer for my work as a content creator. So this right here is the Samsung 9100 Pro 8TB SSD, and in this video I'm going to show you a bunch of powerful ways that you can use it. We will do some testing and comparisons for some real-world situations that you've probably faced before, and most importantly, discuss the best features and how you can use this drive to completely transform your workflow. Before we get to all of that, let me run you through some tips and tricks for installation so we can ensure that your next-gen PCIe 5.0 SSD is supported. The good thing is the process is super easy. Step 1, we need to determine which motherboard you have, which can be found within system information under your PC, under baseboard manufacturer, or on the physical motherboard itself. Step 2, look up your exact motherboard specs by checking the manufacturer spec page under storage or M.2 slots. And if it says PCIe 5.0 X4, congrats, you have a Gen 5 SSD slot and you can install a Samsung 9100 Pro 8TB. And now that we know you're compatible, I want to do some real-world tests to demonstrate how powerful the 9100 Pro 8TB SSD upgrade actually is. And for our first test, I'm going to be moving lots of large video files into a new folder. Now I've noticed that most people tend to focus on the insane 8TB as the main feature of the 9100 Pro, but the truly impressive part is actually the speeds, because as you can see clearly, I am moving dozens of 4K video files extremely fast, which really does a lot to speed up my workflow and keeps me moving as efficiently as possible. And for my spec people watching, here's a breakdown of those speeds. The Samsung 9100 Pro 8TB has sequential read speeds as high as 14,800 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds of 13,400 megabytes per second. On top of that, the random I/O performance is also excellent, up to 2.2 thousand IOPS for reads and 2.6 thousand IOPS for writes on the 8TB model, which makes it ideal for not just large file transfers, but for many tasks that involve many small read and writes like database access, video editing, or even heavy multitasking. And this actually matters because if you're working on things like 8K video, huge project files, or AI heavy workloads, these speeds can seriously cut down load times, exports, and compile processes, giving you a much faster and more responsive workflow. Now this next test is going to show a mixture of big storage and fast speeds working together. I'm going to demonstrate in real time how fast I can move a AAA game file. The game I'm going to be moving is approximately 70 gigabytes, and even though that's a ton of storage space, you can see that the 9100 Pro moves it within seconds. And if you're wondering why an 8TB SSD is a big deal, let's put things into perspective. Modern AAA games are massive, and they can be anywhere from 80 gigabytes all the way up to 150 gigabytes each, and with 8 terabytes, that lets you store roughly 60 to 70 full-size AAA titles at the same time, with room left over for indie games, DLC, and updates, which means no more uninstalling your favorites just to try out something new, and no more juggling storage when a huge update drops. But size is only half the story, because speed matters just as much, and on a next-gen drive like this one, game load times practically vanish. Worlds pop up instantly, textures stream at full resolution without stutter, and fast travel actually feels fast. Open world games that normally take 20 to 30 seconds to load can drop down to just a few seconds, and switching between games is almost instantaneous. So not only do you get a massive library all in one place, you get a smoother, snappier, almost console-like experience across your entire PC.
So who is the 9100 Pro actually for?
In my opinion, this setup would be perfect for gamers who want their entire library ready to play without ever having to uninstall anything. I also think it'd be ideal for a creator who bounces between huge titles, mods, and texture packs, or anyone running massive open world games where fast load times actually change the feel of the game. And if you're a person who hates waiting, multitask heavily, or wants a setup that is going to stay fast for years, an 8TB high-speed SSD like this one is basically the end game storage upgrade. So yeah, whether you're going to be building a new rig or leveling up the one you've got, an 8TB next-gen SSD gives you speed, space, and convenience that actually is going to improve your day-to-day experience. So if this video was helpful to you guys, make sure you let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, feel free to drop a comment down below if you want to see any more storage tips videos, and as always, I will be sure to leave a link in the description below so you can check out the 9100 Pro 8TB SSD for yourself. And until I see you guys on the next video, thanks for watching.